All that I say is true. Remembering My Life. Book by Patricia Houseworth. Patricia is a first-time author. She began her memoir at the request of her daughters. They would hear many stories about their mother's life and felt if she didn't put it in writing they would not be able to pass it on to their children. Pat has gone from a poor abused kid from the South Bronx to a rich fulfilling life. With lack of education she has reached great heights, from a factory worker to a successful businesswoman and entrepreneur. Read this book and you will discover things can be accomplished through determination mixed with true goodness and kindness. The good things that came to Pat were earned through the sadness of her youth. She found a way to survive hunger, overcoming the cruelty of her parents and peers, lack of education. She developed an incredible imagination in making something out of nothing. She hopes this book will inspire all to achieve all that they desire. When times get tough, Pat's favorite saying is, "This too shall pass." The many companies that Pat has started and owned were named meant to be. This book was meant to be. The book is a virtual Cinderella story.